What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting our day at our Dutchess yard. I just started our toolcat. I have my Silverado here. I need to load a dumpster that we have out in the back there. It's sitting on some of the ground protection mats back there. I need to load it in the bed of my truck if it fits. I'm not exactly sure if it will, but we either need to get it to our Orange County yard today or tomorrow. If it doesn't fit in here, I'm gonna have to come here tomorrow morning and unload that trailer, load it on there, and then drag the trailer there. But we have about, should be about 4 feet between the wheel wells here. Let's see, come on. So we have about 50 inches between the wheel wells. If I can't get it between the wheel wells, and I can at least get it on the tailgate here and a little bit in the truck. Come on, this is tough to do. One-handed. Let me clip this camera here. We have 58.5 inches on the back of the truck here. So hopefully it'll at least fit in here. If I can get it slid up to the wheel wells and then just strap it in, that'll be good enough. I'll leave the tailgate down. Hopefully I can get it in the bed of the truck and shut the tailgate. But anyway, let's hop in the toolcat. We'll go grab it. We'll at least get it out here in the driveway, and then we'll see if it'll fit. Oh man, 54.5 inches. So it's gonna fit, it's just not gonna fit between the wheel wells. I think we had 58 or 59 right here. Yeah, so we'll definitely fit right here. That's not even all the way across, but up in between the wheel wells we only have about 50 inches. So I'm gonna close the forks down real quick, that way I can get both of them in there, and then we'll lift this thing up. I'll just slide it as far as I can until I hit the wheel wells here, and then we'll strap it down and hit the road. Enough. I'm gonna get this thing strapped down, and then I'll see you guys at our Orange County yard. All right guys, I'm up at our Orange County yard, and I need to get this roller on the Freightliner. I haven't unloaded that dumpster out of my truck yet, but there's a very good chance that this thing is going to be dead. We haven't run it in a long time, so I would not be surprised if it doesn't start. Let's see what happens. It's got some power. I don't know if you can see the lights down here, so. It's not even trying to crank. But there is an issue with the ignition on this thing, and the neutral switch, I think, is really what the problem is. It doesn't know exactly when it's in neutral, but it's not even trying to crank right now, which is kind of strange. I'm gonna grab the battery charger and put it on here and see if that helps. All right, we got the battery charger on here. Well, I guess that was the problem. It's definitely cold. Seems to be idling pretty high. The idle control doesn't want to change. It doesn't want to move. Yep, I knew that was going to happen. At least we released the brakes. So now we can move this thing at least. didn't even touch the brakes there. Bit risky, but it's on there. It's pretty centered. I only went a little bit because obviously if I get farther up and this thing decides to slide, then we're gonna have an issue. At least if I can get it up right now. Let me pull this off, it's upside down. If I can get it up right now and have it flat, it's a lot safer. Seems to be pretty sturdy on there. All right, that worked out pretty well. Definitely gonna roll it to the back like this and maybe chain it down again before we unload it, but I am gonna roll it forward for transportation purposes. Chained down. All right, we're all loaded up, chained down, and he is about to pull out of here. Once he backs this truck up, I'm actually gonna pull into the salt bin pen. We have our 914 with the boom on there. I think the easiest way to unload this right now, being that I don't have forks here, is to hang a chain from the boom, maybe through, actually I might be able to hook it here and on the other side and just kind of lift it up nice and easy and then drive straight out. That'll probably be the easiest way, but once he's out of my way, we'll head on in there and get this thing unloaded.